Hi everyone, it's Natalie with SalonBusinessMarketingTools.com, and I want to talk about free web hosting, or more specifically, picking a good web host. So many times we get caught up using free, and there are some things that I just don't think we should use for free. I am the biggest person. I mean, if you've heard me on other videos or if you've ever talked to me in person, you'll hear me say, if it's free, it's for me. That's 99% true, except for when it comes to my web hosting. I prefer not to use a free web hosting, and you can check out on one of our other videos as to why. But because I prefer you not using a free web hosting, I want to tell you how to pick a good one, because that's important as well. Because you don't want to pick a web hosting company that sucks, or that's worse than the free web hosting company you were using before. All right, so picking a really good web hosting company is important because it can determine whether your business online is up and running or if it just disappears overnight. You know, a sucky web hosting company won't have the things you need, or if they get shut down because maybe they've had an overload, it could take your site down for 2-3 days or maybe even a couple of weeks. And who wants that, especially with our salons that we're building, because we build salons that are making money. So we need our second location, our virtual salon, we need that open all day, every day, 24 hours, 7 days a week. So let me tell you some things to look for in a good web host. The first thing you want to look for is web-based administration. You want to find a good web hosting company where you can log in no matter where you are and manage everything through the web. Basically, you can change things, you can add things, you have accessibility, you don't have to call them to do anything special. That is considered web-based administration. It should be easy to access. There shouldn't be any hidden secrets or rules, any of that. You should, once you sign up for a web hosting company, you should be able to have access immediately. The second is full email services. I would say that most web hosting companies give you, email. If you run across one that doesn't, or they want to charge you for extra 2 email addresses, move on. Full email services encompasses being able to assign different email addresses, and usually a lot of them have an unlimited amount of email addresses that you can use. This helps in a couple of ways with your marketing. If your if your salon is www.allaboutmesalon.com, obviously your email address could be info@allaboutmesalon.com or customer service@allaboutmesalon.com. All of this information is on your brochures, it's on your business cards, it could be anywhere you want it to be. So it's a great way to market yourself, market your business, just by having email addresses that is an extension of your actual website. Now, of course, with free web hosting, you don't get all of that. So that's another good reason why you want to definitely get with a good web hosting company that you pay for. The next one is a good web host will have automatic backups. I mean, you shouldn't have to be stressed about backing up your web content. Any good one will automatically back up whatever it is. So if they happen to go down, it automatically comes back up once everything is back up and running. Scripting and applications. I'm not a techie person, so when you start talking about scripting and a whole lot of applications, I just totally tune out because I know that's not what I do. However, it is good to have. So a good web hosting company will have different scripting and applications available for you through your web-based administrative panel. So if that's the case, this is definitely a good tool to have, especially if you happen to be a salon techie. This is great. The most important application I want to make sure your web host company has is cPanel and Fantastico. cPanel and Fantastico. Fantastico is spelled Fantastico. Very, very important, because when it comes to building a WordPress website or platform, you want to make sure you have those things those two applications, the cPanel and the Fantastico, to make life easier for you. Absolutely fabulous. You definitely want to get a web hosting company that has that. And if you're not sure if they have it, pick up the phone and call them or send them an email, because you don't want to get involved with any web hosting company that doesn't have that. Trust me. And then, of course, you heard me say it, avoid hosting with any internet service provider like AOL or AT&T or Comcast or any free web hosting company. And the only reason why is because, one, in our business, image is everything, and you want to look professional. Number two, you don't want anyone holding you hostage. You don't want to create something with some free site, and then let's say you're with AT&T and then you move over to Comcast or Charter or whatever cable provider in your area, and you lose that information with AT&T. Well, you don't want to have to deal with that. You don't want to have to start all over creating everything. You could just have your own hosting yourself and your own domain and be up and running all the time, 24 hours, 7 days a week. So I think I have another video on don't be held hostage pretty much to your web hosting company, which is, stay away from free web hosting. Go ahead and pick a good one. Now, I know you're wondering, well, Natalie, what web hosting companies do I use? Well, there's two that I like, and you can go to salonbusinessmarketingtools.com and look under Salon Resources, and you'll see them. But it's HostGator and Bluehost. I love them. For less than $10 a month, you can have your own web hosting company, everything. Set up, manage everything yourself. It's easy. It is not hard. And your salon business online will look great, and you will have full control. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful, giving you some good tips on picking a good web host, what to look for. If you got any questions, definitely leave them below. If you want to add some comments to picking a good web host for everyone else, definitely put it down there. Put it down in the comments area so that so everyone knows and we can continue to share information. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. If you like my channel, go ahead and click like, go ahead and subscribe to it, and I look forward to talking with you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.